Most people take a screenshot by pressing buttons or swiping with their hand, but on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's another easy way, just one tap using the edge panel. Let me show you how to do it. First, you have to make sure that task panel is enabled. To do so, while your phone is unlocked, head into settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap edge panels. Tap panels. Swipe through the panels and make sure to select task panel. Now go to the screen you want to capture. Drag the edge panel handle toward the center to open up the edge panel. Swipe through your edge panel until you see task panel. By default, take screenshot is one of the default shortcuts on this panel. Tap the shortcut and you will see the screen flash and hear that familiar screenshot sound. The screenshot will be saved instantly and you can find it in the gallery or notification bar. Seeing how this feature works, this is one of the easiest ways to take a screenshot. No buttons, no swiping. It's fast, works with one hand and really helpful if you are holding something or using your phone quickly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.